Now the near pips, how near to 1 minute box, that just means how close can you be before you start getting the alert. So in this case, if it gets, say it's at 86.92, 86.91, 86.90, say right now, 86.90, that's it. So 2 pips, it's saying it can start looking. Now, if you have a dynamic set, then you could put a bigger number here, say 5 pips, because you're pretty much there. Okay, now you don't know when it's going to go dynamic. It may go dynamic from there, it may go dynamic from back here. Either way, if it goes dynamic and you're even close, you got to do it. Now, 1-click entries, you may want to get a little closer, because you know you're going to enter right at the spot. And if you put it too big of a number and you're using 1-click entries, you may get every entry way away from the box here, and you're going to hurt yourself in the long run. I think if you're doing 1-click, you can even make this 0 or put a negative number. If you had this to 5 or -2, that's a difference of 7 pips every single entry, right? Because 1-click's going to enter it. If everything looks good, it's just going to enter. But the dynamic, at least, it waits for the price to move in your direction. So I hope that's clear.